one of the biggest challenges today, which is facing the market, is the earnings turnaround. And even in the quarter that we are in, a lot of companies have had to provide for the new labor code.
Yes.
And while there were many who were hopeful that the earnings, and of course I'll talk to Harish more, but more at a larger point from you, did this budget give you the sense, or the market the sense, that we are cognizant of earnings growth not recovering as it should have? Second point, Bala, private capex.
Yes.
Government has been bearing the load, and capex from the government has only gone up, which is great. Otherwise, God knows where we would have been.
Correct, correct.
But the private capex cycle is still not turning. So, is there something this budget could have done to clear that? Did you see that in the budget?
Yes.
And the third, FII flows. I mean, it continues, and along with it is the rupee weakening.
Correct.
Does this budget, or would you say the budget was not meant to do that? But that's what everybody expects from the budget. It's not just personal tax. We individuals feel happy about that. But as a market, you want to see that, right? I mean, does it address these issues?
So I think budget has addressed many of these issues by bringing in policy framework.
Okay.
Keeping aside allocation, like capital allocation.
Yeah.
So they continue to maintain close to about 12 lakh crore capital allocations. They identified different sectors, like biopharma is one, the semiconductor is one, the electronic manufacturing is one, where they all increase allocations. Wherever they have seen success, they have increased allocations. In fact, there was a statement came from Apple CEO just about a few days back in the US, appreciating the manufacturing activities they have undertaken in India, which has been the second largest producer next to China, to support Apple growth in overseas market in manufacturing mobile phone in India. So we are seeing now progress in each of these areas.
Now, as investors, therefore, for us, it is important to take a fresh card. Okay, this is not business as usual. This is not about looking at, say, the winners of the last 3-5 years and believing that they are going to continue their stride going ahead, because these kind of distortions, if I may, require a fresh thinking. And that is exactly what we think over the course of the last 15-18 months. We kind of gear towards the newer set of opportunities, a newer set of sectors which may be possibly be under the radar, which may be under-owned by, say, the street and various market participants, and which have the prospect of certain surprises in earnings over the course of the next 18, 24, 36 months. So the key, as you rightly observed, it's reasonably calm despite all the chatter that's around. And that's primarily because we are really geared for the medium term and the longer term. We really have no edge to predict what the markets will do today. We have no real edge to say where it will be a month from now.
This budget further reinforces it. The single most important reason that today India is standing out is that we have focused on fiscal prudence, we have focused on inflation being under control, we are focused on better quality of expenditure by the government, we are focused on reducing taxes, to start with corporate taxes, then eventually income taxes, and then GST rationalization. So a lot of supply side reforms has enabled that, despite so much of turmoil, the local conditions as if that India is an island of stability. In fact, last policy governor said that we are in a Goldilocks scenario.